Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Lovely brand Gona Jewelry has reached out to me yet again, and they asked me if I'm interested to receive some of their beautiful jewelry and show them with you and tell you a little bit about their new mission. I was very excited, especially because I love the bracelets that they have sent me last year, and they have withstood the test of time. So of course I'm all about this, and I'm very happy when I can vouch for durability, because Gona offer top quality for a very affordable price. They do ship worldwide, and they do offer free shipping over $39, 360 days warranty, and 30 days free return. So yeah, you have a lot of reasons to shop with Gona. They do also have 2 physical stores in Paris. They have their Paris flagship store, and they also have Paris Charms Boutique. So yeah, if you are in Paris or around Paris, you can visit those lovely shops. I will link the address in my description box, so you are welcome to take a look together with the website of Gona. They do also offer 20% discount by using the code Julia20. Gona has created this new collection, which is called Marine Collection. This was inspired from the ocean, incorporating marine elements and blue hue to showcase the reverence and love for the sea. The summery seaside ambience, the mysterious charm of marine life, and the tranquility of blue waters infuse this collection with a fresh vitality and a unique elegance. In addition, Gona Jewelry is committed to marine conservation and will donate $2 per each piece that is sold from this marine collection. I really love the fact that through this marine-inspired collection, Gona is joining their efforts to protect the ocean. Now let me show you what I received. So also the packaging reflects the sustainability of the brand. It's a very sleek, very beautiful packaging. Here you have the logo Gona, and by the way, this is one of my Gona bracelets that I received last year. They have kindly sent to me. This is with 14K gold, and here we have written "Have a nice day." Everything is carefully and thoughtfully wrapped in this beautiful paper, and here we have the stamp where is written "Thank you for choosing us." This is what everything looks inside. Again, everything is sustainably packaged, which I'm very impressed about. This is a personal note. I'm not going to go into details and read you about that, because what I want to share with you is what they have kindly sent to me to show to you. So those are pieces inspired from the marine collection. Love the green. You know that green, it's one of my favorite color. Look at my background, it's green, and I love wearing anything green. Not when I'm recording, because if I have a green top, then the chances are that it will be lost on the background. But yeah, long story short, love the dark green. Here we have a pair of beautiful earrings. They are small hoops, and they are plated with 14 carats gold. Also love the padding on this. It's very luxurious. You know that I'm going to keep this, and probably at some point those hoops will be given to my lovely daughter. So I picked them up with my daughter in mind, which, by the way, today when I'm recording the video, she's turning 7. We have another small box. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, it's the same size. Here we have those large hoops. Those have been secured on this cushion. Oh no, this is a sponge, to prevent from dangling while they are being transported. And I'm going to show you something about the earrings after I'll show you the last piece. And also the package is coming with this very lovely, adorable bag, so you can gift to someone in this bag if you want so. And here you have also a polishing cloth, so you can clean your jewelry. This is so adorable, so we can gift together. This is the last piece that I have received, and as you can probably guess, we have a charm bracelet. I haven't seen such a beautiful packaging. If you remember, last year I was also showing you because I received those bracelets and they were coming in the same box. So it's a very nice box. We have a few we have a few charms. All of them are inspired from the marine life. I'll let you have a look on it. And also we have a security clasp. So this is the security clasp. It's on either side. So you have more charms, you can open it. And when you have inserted all your charms, you can then secure it and close it. And in this way your charms are secured, so they are not going to fall down. So, oh, here it's written luck and love. So on this beautiful charm, the middle one, you have written love and luck and love on the back side. I'm not sure if it's picking that on camera. And we have a beautiful penguin, love it, and 3 other charms, absolutely love it. And the closure, this is the shape of a seashell. I wanted to say, so this is the seashell. But what I wanted to show you is that the earrings are very versatile, because on the earrings we have 2 more charms. So they are just a simple classical hoop ring, and you have attached a charm. So you can wear the charm on your bracelet if you want so, or on the ring. So I thought this is a very nice idea. So first of all, I want to add those earrings, the small ones, because after that I'm going to put the larger hoops. Very easy to close, so you can close them on the back side. I'm absolutely loving them. I love a simple, elegant and dainty hoop. I'm going to pop up the name on the screen, and also look how easy it's to remove. Now I'm going to put on the larger hoops. So you have the opening here. I'm back and I have put on the silver bracelet. So I very love this. Look at the sparkle, it's so gorgeous. And as I mentioned, the security clasp helps you when you, I don't know if you can see it now, helps you to not have your charms falling down while you are closing. So very easy to pop it on or off. It's a matter of seconds to close it. For the charms that I have on my earrings, I'm going to insert a video of me putting those to the yellow gold bracelet. So yeah, this is everything I wanted to share with you in today's video. Do not forget that by purchasing anything from the Gona Marine collection, you are supporting to preserve the marine life, because Gona is donating $2 off. Do not forget to check the description box for all the information that I mentioned. So I'm going to share there the Gona website, my discount code, the Marine collection, and their flagship and boutique stores that are located in Paris. Do not forget they offer free shipping worldwide, and you have also warranty and 30 days free return to them. So yeah, this is everything I wanted to share with you in today's video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I'm going to see you really soon with another video. Bye!